All right, let's talk about a business card. This is going to be a short lecture. Business card is just kind of a very basic tool that you need to have. Now, they don't cost a lot. Where I get mine from is Vistaprint.com. Vistaprint.com. All right, you can get 500 cards for 10 bucks. That's nothing. You know, there might be some places online that you can get them for free. Oftentimes those free ones have kind of a, a stamp on the back that have the, the printing company's, name on it, whatever. If you get them for free, it doesn't matter. The thing about business cards is two things. One, don't overstress on the design of your business card. Just get somewhere and throw up some design with your name, email address, and phone number on it. That's all you need. That's rule number one. Don't overthink it. Just put it together. Rule number two, and this is huge, give the suckers away. A lot of people just get business cards and they ride them around in their truck for years and years, and they never give any of them away. You got to get rid of business cards for them to do you any good. But the business card is kind of just a simple tool that you can have to give to anybody that you think might make a good contact. If you're riding around in your market area and you see a postman delivering mail, have a 2-minute phone call with him and exchange a business card. I don't think postmen have business cards, but give them a business card and then take down their contact information. 2 minutes, there's the connection. You can follow up with them later, but that kind of gives them just a basic intro to who you are and a way to get back in touch with you and a way to remember you. But it doesn't do you any good if you don't give them away. You got to give away your business cards. All right. So the business card, important tool. I get mine at Vistaprint.com. Rule number one, keep it simple. Rule number two, give them away. All right, moving on.